welcome to online classes. This is your maths class, and today we will study about your fourth chapter, that is playing with number. See, we have already discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication and all that, but we don't have any order. We don't have any particular order for that. We can do firstly subtraction or multiplication or division or anything else. So when it will come all together, means in a equation, in a question, we will do divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction also. Then what is the order of that? What is the order of all these things? What kind of precautions we have to take in all these? So let's start. See, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the basic four functions which we always use in mathematics. Addition means sum of any more than two numbers. Subtraction, difference of more than two numbers. Multiplication, more than two. And division, as you have already seen and you have practiced a lot on these addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Then what will happen? These all will come together. See, as like we have bracket of for this, that is BODMAS, means BODMAS. So here is B stand for brackets, O stand for of, D stand for division, and M stand for multiplications, and A stand for addition, and the last one S stand for subtraction. Okay, for your convenience, let us understand again. B stand for bracket, O stand for of, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. This is the order. If we will get in an equation, all these things or any of this, then we will not forget this order, that is BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. If we miss this order, then we will get a wrong conclusion of that particular question. So this one is BODMAS. Okay, now we will understand this whole BODMAS one by one. See, so our first word or symbol, that is bracket. B stand for bracket. Let's understand what is bracket. See, bracket always used in mathematics for the separation of two or more terms in given equation, as like 5, 4 and 6. If you want to join 5, 4, 6 with mathematical functions, then you can use brackets, as like this one is also bracket, this one is also bracket, and this one is also bracket. So here we have used three types of bracket. What are they called? Let's understand. See, this one is small bracket. Now this one is curly bracket. And the last but not the least, that is large bracket. Okay, so this one is a small bracket, this one is curly bracket, and this one is large bracket. So one question arises in our mind, that if all three brackets will come together, then what will be the order? What will be the order of to solving all these brackets? So let's see. See, order of bracket. See, this one is bar bracket. You will see, you will clearly understand when it will given in the question. See, this one is bar bracket. It will always put on any number or any alphabet. 4 bar, 5 bar, 6 bar, 7 bar. It will represent like this. This is your digit and this one is your bracket. See, whatever the length of that bracket, that will define its area. That will define which digit or which function will come inside this bracket by the length of that bar bracket. Okay. Now, order of the bracket. Order of bracket. See, first of all, the smallest one which will be solved at very first time, that is bar 1. Okay, after that small, and then curly, and after that large. So if it is given like this one, see, if this digit is given inside all these brackets, so first of all you will solve this bar 1, and after that small bracket, and after that curly one, and after that this large one. Okay, this is the order 1, 2, 3 and 4. First, second, third and fourth. This will be the order to solve all these brackets. Okay, now how can we deal within question if all these will come together? See, this is all about bracket, and after that that word O means off. Off means, see, 6% of 300. So this word off represent multiply. Off represent multiply means 6% of 300, 6% part of 300. So how can we calculate for this of 6% of 300. Of stands for multiplication. We can represent this of with multiplication sign. It will become 6 upon 100 multiplied with 300. Okay, so it will become 6 3 80. So your answer is 80. So by this method we can represent this of, and we can solve for the value of this particular function, this particular mathematical function. Now after that, next word, that is D, next M, then A, then S. D stand for division, multiplication, addition, and the last one is subtraction. Okay, so division, if we want to divide one thing in to many persons, then we will use that division. And multiplication, when we just increase the power of something, then we have to multiply. Addition, when we have to increase or add something, means join together, that will known as addition. And subtraction is the difference, simply different. So on the basis of all these theory, we will discuss some questions, and you will get clear that what is going on in all these things. Okay, so let us take one question from your own book, as like first question of your exercise is 6269 minus 265 plus 3804. See, this is your first question of your exercise 4.1. and see, I have changed this number. In your book that is given 4869. You can change that number from 6 to 69. Okay, otherwise you will get confused with your answers which is given at the back of the book. Okay, so this is your question. Now the first question is, how can we solve that? We have minus sign, we have plus sign, we have bracket. So according to BODMAS, just write it here. According to BODMAS. See, according to BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So if we get B means bracket, then first of all we will solve that. So we have bracket. So it will become 6269 minus. You will solve this bracket, and answer also will be written inside the bracket. So that will become 5496 and 8 to 10 and 3 4 4069 5496 8 to 10 and 3 plus 1 4069. Now we can easily remove this bracket. See, one most important thing. Now see, so 6269, remove this bracket. Why? Because we have solved this 4069. Now it will become an easy subtraction. In subtraction, left hand side is the big value and right hand side is the smaller value. Always right hand side subtracted from the left hand side. Okay, right hand side always subtracted from the left hand side. So now we will see 9906660 and after that 2 and 642. So this is your answer. Okay, 6269 minus inside the bracket 265. So according to the BODMAS, we will solve this question like this, and after that when you will get the answer. If you forget the order, then you will not get the right conclusion of a question. Okay, now we will see another one question. This question have multiple terms, that is 12, 104 minus 2 plus 36 multiplied with 2, bracket close, divided by 13, 10 plus 2, 13, 10 plus 2 minus 12 and bracket close. See, listen. This whole part is one part and this whole part is one part. We can say it 1, we can say it 2. Okay, so this second part will divide first part. Second part will divide first part. So we will solve first part and second part. Whatever the result of first part, that will be divided from the result of second part. Okay, so this will be according to BODMAS. Okay, according to BODMAS, first of all we will solve the bracket. 12 inside the bracket, 104 minus 2, that will become 102 plus 36 into 2, 36 into 2, bracket close. Okay, see, there is no sign between this 12 and this bracket. Okay, so it is understood that there will be a multiplication sign. Okay, so it will become 12 into 102 plus 36 into 2. We will not forget that BODMAS. Okay, so after this, that is 12 2 are 24 and 12 1 are 12. Multiplication will be first and plus 36 72. Okay, this one is the first part. This is the explanation of first part. Now the second part is large bracket 13, that is small one, 10 plus 2 12 minus 12 and that bracket close. Now here is divided by. See, you are saying here is 13 into 12 minus 12. So you will not be in hurry. 12 minus 12 is 0. 0 into 13 is completely 0. No. According to BODMAS, first of all we will multiply this. 13 2 is 26. 2 will carry. 13 1 is 13. 2 156 minus 12. Okay. Now last step of the second one. 156 minus 12, that will become 144. 144. Now solve this one. 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and after that 2. 1296 divided by 144. So this is your last one. 1296 will divided by 144. Okay, 1296 will divided by 144. You will solve this and write the answer. Okay, so in this whole question you have to remember this one. In this whole question you have to remember this one, and rest of the question you will do by yourself, and rest of the question we will discuss in next class. Thanks for watching.